right after the inspection and preparation teams, hoisting of national flag and singing of national anthem will be followed. When our chief guest hoists the tricolor national flag, I would like to request all the public to kindly stand from your seat as we sing our national anthem.
Ladies and gentlemen, Honorable Chief Guest will be hoisting the national flag.
Thank you all.
Today, on this auspicious and joyous occasion of our 75th year of Indian independence and 76th Indian independence, I extend my warm greetings and best wishes to all of you who have been gathered here to part of this joyous and great celebration. As we know that the nation is celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to commemorate the 75th year of Indian independence. And as a part of Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, Har Ghar Tiranga program is being celebrated from 13th to 15th August in the entire nation. Under this, all the building, whether it's a government building, private building, school, colleges, fair price shops, Anganwadi centers, CHC, PSC, hospitals, health and wellness centers, all the buildings, we are hoisting the national flag. I take this as an opportunity to appeal all the citizens of our district to let's celebrate in a grand manner and hoist the national flag at every building. The national flag is a symbol of pride, honor, respect, patriotism, and freedom of the nation. Today I would say here, it's our nation. It's our nation and it's our national flag. Let's join hands together and come forward and hoist the flag with pride, honor, and great respect. Today, let us also remember and recall the sacrifices, I would say supreme sacrifices, made by our freedom fighters and valiant soldiers who laid down their lives first for the cause of winning us independence, and then for preserving and strengthening the precious gift of freedom. On behalf of everyone present here, I express deepest gratitude and pay them homage with highest respect and regards. Let us also spare a moment and thought for all the visionary leaders who led India on its path to freedom, and then through their collective wisdom compiled an excessively brilliant document, the Constitution of India. The Constitution of India, a constitution which starts from the unique words, from the unique sentence, I would say, we the people of India. We the people of India, which have been the guiding beacon and unifying factors in our journey as a nation. And above all, this is a day when we can cherish our journey as a nation also. A journey where everyone has contributed and played its own important role, like our brave soldiers who defend and guard border of our nation, the farmers who feeds us, the doctors who heals our nation, and the mother who nurtures us, the sanitation worker who make our places cleaner and hygienic, our senior citizens who can look back with pride at how far they have brought their nation. Now, to continue this legacy of these great achievements of past 75 years, from here, our role is going to be started. From here, our role going to be started. So I would request that let us come together to take India forward on the path of progress with the spirit of keeping the interests of the nation and society foremost. Today, Independence Day is being celebrated all over the country. I would say from the national capital, from the ramparts of the Red Fort to the capital of all the states, all the union territories, all the district headquarters, and many more. Not only in the government setups like school, colleges, hospitals, but also this National Festival of India has penetrated and reached at every gram panchayat, at every village, at every rural institution, at every nook and corner of our country. Can we imagine how important it is in our life as a citizen of India to participate and celebrate this great celebration of our nation, that is Indian independence. Although we have witnessed a lot of improvement in the last 7.5 decades, where India once regarded as a nation living in the villages to a nation of economic and superpower now. We still have many hurdles in our paths that we all have to face by joining hands together. Taking Ukhrul district as an example, we must ask ourselves what the district needs. What the district needs. What can we do to bring about our positive changes? The minds of the youths need leading from our action and example. We must integrate our thoughts on the needs and aspirations of the people of Ukhrul. We must ask, is it education that needs a push? Is it any government infrastructure? Is it connectivity? Or any other infrastructure which can be helpful to promote the development of the district? Only when we identify the loopholes and impediments, only then we can devise and create a solution that can bring change in the society. To bring the change in the society, it also required behavioral change towards the right direction with the positive attitude. And here, each and everyone are having great importance, are having great role, which can be very helpful to move towards the development of the society and welfare of our people. Dear friends, as we are well aware, the last 2 years have been passed amidst this COVID-19 pandemic. Lives have come to a standstill. We have lost our near and dear ones due to this worldwide disease, which no one had expected at one point of time. And the economic impact of the pandemic was also as disastrous as its health impact. So just when we think that it's over, the deadly virus manifests itself in other form from time and again. So I would say today that if we have learned our lesson very well, then we should know this is the time for extra precaution and care. We all must act responsibly. We all should act responsibly, and we should always follow the COVID appropriate behavior, because we know that how tough those days were. Today, taking this as an opportunity to I convey my profound appreciation to our corona warriors. The doctors, the nurses, all frontline workers, healthcare workers, personnel from the police, and all the officers and staffs, those who have worked tirelessly to safeguard the life of our people in the midst of this deadly situation. The medical science is coping with this invisible enemy of terrible might with the remarkable speed. We can take solace from the fact that more lives have been saved than the lives lost. Now we have many vaccines approved by the Medical Council of Research and World Health Organization as well. Those vaccines which are being given in our district is also used by more than the 30 European countries as well. This vaccine is safe, and we know this is the only way to save life of our near and dear ones. However, despite all the efforts we have taken for vaccination, I would say vaccination percentage of our Ukhrul district is still cause of concern. I, as a Deputy Commissioner, take this opportunity to encourage the citizens of Ukhrul who are yet to be vaccinated to please come forward and get vaccinated, to safeguard yourself, your dear and loved ones. And also, let us make it our objective, not just an option. Dear friends, when we talk about the tourism potential of our Ukhrul district, I think all are well aware. Recently, we had organized a state-level Surai festival. How successful this festival was, I'll just give an example. During this festival, the tourist footfall was more than 3 lakhs. And these tourists, they are not just from our Ukhrul district, from our state, but also they are from the different parts of our country. Today, apart from this Surai Lily, we have another tourist spot. This is Khankhui Cave, which also needs to be promoted so that we can attract more and more people from the other part of country, which may be very helpful for economic development of our district. From our district, we have a unique fruit that is kachai lemon. It's the best example of one district, one product. In fact, from the state, it has been declared as a one district, one product. And this also needs a great push, and for this, we have to be vocal for the local, so that we can move towards the objective or dream of Atmanirbhar Bharat. And this kachai lemon and another Saraikong chili, these two are the fruits from our district which have already found place in the GI tag pages of our country. Apart from this, we have another unique art from the Lungvi and adjoining villages, this black pottery, which also needs to be promoted because it's also kind of another unique art which found in our Ukhrul district only. I have also witnessed the hard-working men and women in the district, especially in the villages. Whenever I have traveled in many villages, I have seen how hard-working they are, how innocent they are, what kind of desire they have in their mind for their upcoming generation. They are truly dedicated. Of course, at village level, their dream may be a small, but at the end, all are dedicated for the development of district, state, and nation as well. This is very important for each and everyone as a responsible citizen of India. Ukhrul on its own has a lot of potential. We all need to cherish and nurture the good things that we have in the district and further pave a way for them so that we can ensure development of the district as well. Today I would also say, since all the district level officials, all the departments, all the stakeholders are present on this important occasion, I would say a happy and equal opportunity nation built by a happy and equal opportunity family and the society. A family or society where everyone has an equal right and an opportunity. Let's say, for an example, every student from our district should have the same right, same access to the same quality of education, irrespective of their economical background or places from wherever they are. I would say, when we talk about this right of equality, which has been given in our constitution, can be ensured by our collective efforts only. Of course, initially we may face some challenges, but as we all know that whenever we start a new journey, challenges will always be there. Ups and downs may be there. Successes and failure may be there. So as an administrator, as a head of the department, as a government servant, as a part of civil society organization, as a part of any institution, what's the most important to get the success? To get the success is regular introspection, patience, and of course, collective efforts. An effort where every single step count and matter. Every single step has its own great importance. Today, I would also believe that the government is also trying to build a financial infrastructure in the form of safe, secure, easily accessible, and in inclusive manner. Since this is an age of 21st century, it's an age of digital era when we have many digital platforms, digital apps like Bhim app, SBI Yono, Paytm, PhonePe, and many apps from the different banks, through which money can be transferred and received through digital mode within a few minutes. Many times during meeting we had discussed, and I had instructed to all the bank people to encourage their customers to use these digital apps, because everyone is having a smartphone. So they can use their smartphones through which they can just transfer and receive the money. No need to visit banks for the small cash transaction. As every election, it marks a new beginning and the renewal of India's hope and optimism, which involve micro to macro level planning to translate the thoughts and the theories into visual action. Recently, State Assembly election 2022 was conducted successfully. So I take this opportunity to extend my gratitude to all the officers, all the personnel of the security forces, from our police and different paramilitary forces, those who have been helpful in conducting this election. Again, I would say thank you to each and all the stakeholders, those who made this election as a grand success. I sincerely appeal and encourage and motivate to our citizens to come forward and be the part of this national building process. By how we can be the part of this nation building process? We have to participate. How we can participate? By ensuring our participation in this biggest festival of our nation, which starts from the registration and purification of electoral roll. Recently, there was an amendment in the Representation of the People Act, and they have introduced new Form 6B to collect Aadhaar details which can be linked with their electoral roll. Why this initiative has been taken out by the Honorable Election Commission of India? We have to understand the reason behind to make all the entries in the electoral roll which can be authenticated and made it absolutely error-free, so that all the genuine voters, they can use their franchises during the conduct of any election. Today, I would also mention that government can build financial infrastructure like bank, ATM, treasury offices. They can also build physical infrastructure like all the government buildings, all the hospitals, transit quarters, and many more infrastructure. They can also develop a connective infrastructure like road, rail, and other big projects. They can also construct a legal infrastructure like court. They can also construct a health infrastructure and social infrastructure. But what is the more crucial and important for the society, for the citizens? We have to use and nurture these infrastructure not for only the benefit of present generation, for ourselves, but also for the future generation, so that we can ensure sustainable development. Because government has a leading role, but not the sole role. Let us use all the government programs, projects, infrastructure to further our own efforts. Let's also make the sense of ownership. Let's also make the sense of collective responsibility as our motivation. I would also give a brief highlight about all the schemes which is being implemented in our district. Under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin, all the eligible beneficiaries, they are getting their own home. We all can imagine how important it is to have your own home. When we had visited at different villages and met to the beneficiaries, the happiness, satisfaction we have seen in their eyes, it's really matter of happiness and pride for us as an administration. As a part of administration, as an administrator, it's really matter for us because we also get encouraged and motivated whenever we see the happiness on every faces. Under PM Kisan and Kisan Credit Card, all the eligible farmers, they can avail loan for the agricultural purposes. Under Pradhan Mantri Employment Generation Program, all the willing entrepreneurs, they can avail loan and start their own business. I would say we all are aware about the initiative which was taken by our Honorable Prime Minister and our Honorable Chief Minister for the welfare of all the entrepreneurs like Make in India, Skill India, Startup India. So these schemes are very important to ensure welfare of each and everyone. Under Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, under CM HT, all the eligible citizens are being given health insurance coverage of an amount 5 lakhs. As a welfare state, our nation always worked very hard and ensured safety of each and every citizen. Whether they are at north, south, east, west, wherever they are, they will be ensured all the benefits under all the schemes. From here as an implementing agency, I would request all the district level officials and their staffs to dedicate yourself for the welfare of people only. You are here for the people only. We all are here for the welfare of people, for the development of our district, so that we can ensure integrated development of our nation. Under Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao schemes are all the girls students, they are being empowered, they are being motivated and encouraged how to carry forward their positive attitude in the right direction. For all the eligible beneficiaries under Atal Pension Scheme, National Age-Old Pension Schemes, National Widow Pension Schemes, and for a scheme for the welfare of persons with disabilities, all are being benefited. All are being given benefit under respective schemes. Under Health Department, we have a Suman program where all the pregnant women are being given free of cost medical treatment, all the medical aid. Through Vandhan Vikas Kendra, through this Vandhan Vikas scheme under the Forest Department, of course funded by the TriFed, people who are gathered and be part of one group that is called self-help groups are being empowered are being helped through all the means. These self-help groups from our districts are very important to ensure economic development of each and every villages. Each and every villages, this is also matter because fund flows towards the villages. It also encourages them how to invest their money in the right direction. They are being guided and motivated by our forest department in collaboration with the district administration. For farmers, we have a Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana, under which all the eligible farmers, they can apply to get all the irrigation system, whether it's a drip irrigation or whatever, any kind of schemes. Now, I would also mention that learning the art of living in tune with the nature, it requires effort. It requires great effort from each and everyone. Our father of nation, Gandhiji, said, once you establish a relationship with rivers and mountains, with trees and birds, nature reveals its secrets to you. But at the same time, our father of nation had also told, nature has enough to satisfy everyone's needs, but not anybody's greed. Why? Why our father of nation said like that? This also relates to the intergenerational equity. It means how to strike a balance between the right of present generation and right of future generation. Therefore, we have to think about how to ensure sustainable development. For this, we all have to think how to save our forest, how to ensure this sustainable development, how to use the resources which is available in a judicious manner so that we not only fulfill our present requirement but also to ensure future generation requirement. Only then we'll be able to ensure sustainable development. Today I would extend my gratitude and warm greeting especially to the members of the armed forces who have guarded our freedom valiantly and gladly, making supreme sacrifices whenever it requires. I would also extend my appreciation to all the March past contingents from the police, from the 6th MR, from the ex-servicemen, from all the schools. I am feeling really delighted while seeing our students, how happy, motivated they are. 2 days back when we had come here to just see the preparation, I was feeling really surprised with what kind of a great motivation they had participated. I really extend my best wishes to all the dear students, those who are present here to participate in this great celebration. I would also extend my special thanks to the Assam Rifle Band who are here to make this celebration as a grand. I would also extend my appreciation and gratitude to all the members, those who are present here, to part of this celebration, and also to our friends from the media, those who are giving wide coverage. Same time, I would request all our friends from media to give wide publicity also, because my single objective to be here to ensure how to bring our name of district and national peace. Recently from our district, 2 athletes, those who have secured 2nd and 4th position in the Junior Asian Bodybuilding and Physique Championship, which was held in Maldives. We really feel like proud when we see like a younger generation, they are moving ahead and they are also bringing the name of our district at national pace. Let us also not forget the long journey of freedom fighters and the struggles of our forefathers, those who have ensured to make the country as a sovereign state. While celebrating this Independence Day, I cannot stop my mind from imagining a powerful, prosperous, and peaceful India of 2047, when we will be celebrating 100 years of our Indian independence. Therefore, despite all the limitations, obstacles, hurdles, restrictions, we have to move forward. We have to move ahead with positive thoughts and approach, also on the path of happiness and prosperity. Before I conclude my speech, I would also like to highlight another achievement from our district. Now our Ukhrul district has secured an award which will be given by our Honorable Chief Minister, Government of Manipur. This award has been given in the IT department for the E-district, for the successful implementation of E-district. For that, I would like to congratulate our IT department and all the sub-divisional officers and their staffs, those who have worked very hard to ensure distribution of all the certificates through online manner only, whether it's a caste certificate, domicile certificate, all the certificates which have been given on time through online mode only. Because considering the age of digital era and importance of this IT, we have stopped issuing any kind of certificate in offline mode. Now people, they don't need to visit at any office. From their smartphone also, through any common service center, from any cyber cafe, they can apply with all the required documents and they can be given all the certificates either on the same day or next day. So before I conclude, I would again extend my warm greetings and best wishes to all the district level officials, their staffs, all the March past contingents, our dear students, all the citizens from the district, all the personnel from our security forces. So thank you each and everyone. Jai Hind and Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Honorable DC, for the inspiring and illuminating word. And now to mark the district celebration of the 76th Independence Day, the March Parade begins. Commanding the parade here is Shri W. Jadumani Singh, the STB of Jasamis. With the first MR, he's been with the 4th IRP and PTC Pang as well. And has also served for Manipur Police Training College and 8th IRP. That was the ex-serviceman with Honorary SMPS Shamrihao as the parade commander. Coming up next is the 6th Battalion Manipur Rifle Ukhrul with Joseph Shatson as the parade commander. The saluted dies now is the Manipur Police Ukhrul with SI Nishan Hausareo as the parade commander. Upcoming is the VDF with Aris Aron as the parade commander. NCC Ukhrul Higher Secondary School with Jihanbam Kabudan as the parade commander. Followed by NCC Model High School with Nigrun Chang Chipang as the parade commander.
That was NCC Model High School.
We have Ukhrul Higher Secondary School Girls Contingent led by Parmijan Kamkara. Right behind them is the Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukhrul combined contingent with Mashungam Kamra as the parade commander.
Thank you. That was Ukhrul Secondary School Girls. Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukhrul.
Marching right behind Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukhrul is Katie Alexol Higher Secondary School boys with Mashuntin Naisu as the parade commander. Here we have Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School boys with parade commander as Talmahai Baram.
That was Sacred Heart High Secondary School boys.
Marching their way towards the saluting dies at Little Angels English School. was the Parade Commander KTS Jajo. Coming up next, we have Model High School Combined Contingent with Ruri Singh Sasa as the Parade Commander. Coming up next is Xavier School Ukhrul, combined contingent led by Ringyo LS. This is Ukhrul Central School Combined Contingent, led by Parade Commander NC Vashi. Coming up is St. Mary's School, Girls Contingent with Sonia Zinka as the Parade Commander. Joining the marching parade is Ukhrul Asha workers led by Layola Kapil. And here is the band party, the 35 Assam Rifles Samsar.
chief guest and also to the participating contingents. Altogether, we have 16 contingents on this day of August 15, 2022 at March Ground, Ukhrul. In a short while, we will witness a cultural presentation at number 1, Nongbi Kulen Youth Club, number 2, Lower Hongpong Youth Club, number 3, Todriso Kashing, number 3, All Manipur Gurkha Student Association, Ukhrul Unit. As a part of the country's independence celebration, the CSC Common Service Center in the morning had initiated a rally in the district headquarters. I would like to thank the Common Service Center team for your active participation. Thank you once again. Kuvelu Rumtau, SDO Ellen, Horam Shimre, Modi Yung Kaping, from the National Informatics Center, Ukhrul, Ngakang Lesio, CDPO from the CDPO, Shimre Chon Tutang, Priscilla A. Shimre, MSPT Cell, Ukhrul, A.S. Gerson, K. Somi, from the District Cooperative Officer, Mabatni Machang, Johnson Kamai, from the One Stop Center, One Tim Lakashung, Naning Shing Chipang. Marwan Suranpur Singh, LGO Ukhrul, Apui Shimre, Deputy General Manager, MSCPTL, Ken Rio, General Manager, Industries, Shimre Bang, DPO, Super Worker.
Thank you.
Please,
Martin Suranjit Singh as the Ukhrul. Now we have Akhil Shindre, Deputy General Manager, MSD PCL.
Okay, thank you.
Next we have Sri Temrio, General Manager, District Industries Office, Ukhrul. Thank you. Now,
Okay, 1, 2, 3, thank you.
thank you. Now we have Srimati Shimrepan DPO, ICDSL, Ukhrul.
Thank you.
Thank you. That was Srimati Shimrepan DPO. Now we have Yeti Sorel Koireng, District Officer of Horticulture and Soil Conservation, Ukhrul. Yes, I think it's Yeti Sorel Koireng.
Ex-serviceman.
While presenting this certificate of appreciation to our March past contingent from ex-servicemen, I'm really feeling delighted. And also, it's a matter of pride for each and everyone. They have already done their great job for the national interest. They have sacrificed. They have also fought lots of fights for the national interest only. So from my side, I would like to congratulate to all the ex-servicemen. They have done great job, and still I am really happy. They are still proactive for the national interest. So in the same manner, I would request all the youths to get inspired from our ex-servicemen. Thank you very much. Before we move ahead for like a distribution of all the certificates, I would also acknowledge suggestion which was given by our Superintendent of Police, Sri Ninshan Vasu, to have this celebration in Pakshi ground in a grand manner. So I'm really thankful for kind suggestion. Thank you. And I would also extend my thank you to our EPWD, who has worked very hard for setting up this all the Shamiana tents and nice arrangement in spite of consistent rain, and our DRDA and all the officers, all the staffs, those who were involved here. During my speech, I forget to mention about the March past contingents from the IAS worker. So I would also extend my gratitude and best wishes to our IAS workers also. Thank you. I think now we can move.
Now,
Thank you, sir.
Hello. Uchwa. Let us have Tainem Ramwan Primary School on stage.
Yes, please come aside. Ready, 1, 2, 3, thank you.
Thank you. Now let's have Pung Cham Upper Primary School. This will be followed by SB Ukhrul.
Thank you.
They have 8 individuals. S. Prem, Head Constable, M. Ibomcha, Head Constable, Veringam Hemajendra Singh. This is S. Prem, Head Constable.
Yes, look this side, please. Yes, ready, 1, 2, 3.
Okay, thank you. Now let's have M. Ibongcha, Head Constable. Huh? He is receiving the rest of the 7 individuals.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's have this is Stephen Nakmanlun.
Here, look here.
Tower.
Ready, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
M. Congley. They will be followed by the Forest Department. Rung Chim Kasom Hung. Yes, this is M. Congley, Rifleman.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let's have Rung Chim Kasom Hung from the Forest Department.
Thank you.
They'll be followed by the CMO, Hoping Pungshok and P. Starting. This is Hoping Pungshok, Assistant Malaria Officer.
Yes, please look this side of it. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. P. Starting, Grade 4, Katakta Ramiolo. May I request
Ready?
CMO
Thank you.
to receive the department as a whole? This is Dr. Shermati Yutingla from CMO.
Thank you.
Dishin Ngam Gonmei, Assistant District Data Manager. Thank you. Now let's have Surokaipam. Thank you. Now from the SDO, Kavelu Rumtao, Computer Assistant.
Rock song, please. Single. Thank you.
Pilishimre.
Thank you.
Waryung Kaping, Network Field Engineer. Thank you. Now from the CDP.
Okay, thank you.
Is the Dearson K. Somi. Get ready. Okay, thank you. Now we have Priscilla A. Shimre, Supervisor, Ukhrul ICDS.
Thank you.
Okay, from the
Good, thank you.
thank you. Let's have K.S. Somi, driver. Thank you. From the District Cooperative Officer. Now, thank you. Now, from the Mavatmi Marchang Inspector, Johnson Kamei Inspector. This is Mavatmi Marchang Inspector.
Thank you.
Coming up next is Johnson Kamei Inspector. This will be followed by One Stop Center, War Team Kashung Counselor.
One Stop Center, OSC. My one team. Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Nganing Shing Chipang. Nganing Shing Chipang.
Thank you.
RN Viola. Okay, this is RN Viola, AI of Schools. From ZEU Ukhrul.
So,
A is Shimshimpi, Accountant, and LK Lunanla. Okay, this is a Shimshimpi accountant.
Okay.
US Sorisian computer operated boat.
Hello.
WS Sorisian computer operated.
Thank you.
Now Namrela accountant.
Ready, young Lord. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. IAS.
Thank you.
Namre Shaiza YE Posana. VS Savio. VS Yuting Chan. Samson.
Okay, this is going to be a nice group photo. Okay, look at us. Ready? Okay. Ready, one more. Great one. Driver. No. Being a driver is not an easy job. Ready? Thank you.
Okay. This is the recipient of the first prize construction for today's Independence Day. Manipur Rifles and 2 pilot drivers.
Okay, look at it.
Construction of rostrum.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Now may I have
Thank you.
flag staff.
Thank you.
Okay, now
Okay. Thank you.
6th Manipur Rifles contingent. Precision prize.
Thank you.
Okay, next. Let's have Manipur. This is Manipur Police contingent.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
VDF. This will be followed by the cultural presentation.
Thank you.
Teams. Nompi Cultural Troupe. Nompi.
Thank you.
Lower.
너 이만큼 이거는 1, 2, 3. 자, 농비 다가로 농비. 사이즈.
Here, Nompi Cultural Troupe.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's.
Hello. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Emphasize. Thank you.
Ukhrul.
Ready? 1, 2, 3, give us time. Yes. Yes, thank you.
And the second prize. And the second.
Ready? 1. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Yes, thank you.
Thank you. And the first. She has scored the highest mark for the Sikh Har Ghar Tiranga under Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav.
Thank you.
This is Chuyarin Ranwashim Class 10, Sacred Heart High Secondary School, Ukhrul. Thank you, sir. Okay, this is Ukhrul High Secondary School. Consolation Prize recipient.
So here. Ling Lo, no.
KTL Excel High Secondary School.
So here you say, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3, thank you.
Okay, that was KTL. Okay, this is Sacred Heart Higher Secondary School. Little Angels. Let's have Little Angels, model.
Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Just
Thank you.
okay, school.
Okay, you look back and look here. Ready, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Thank you.
Come, tell her, I'm going to okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Asir. And the third goes to Model High School NCC, Ukhrul. Okay, this is the third position holder, NCC Ukhrul Higher Secondary School.
Thank you.
Now is Kendriya Vidyalaya Ukhrul, second position.
Come, tell her, from the ring. Selection, concentration. Thank you.
The winner for the March Pass in today's celebration is NCC Model Higher Secondary School.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, sir. Pedestals.
Next time, good to see you on a all the negative just here to see what are the encouragement.